and today we will be learning to install vestacp. Vestacp is a web hosting control panel used for hosting your domain, email servers, and websites. It's a simpler version of cpanel, and it's free. Here we can see and here we can see the website for Vista Control Panel, which you can check. It shows various information about what we can do with it, like running a web server, DNS servers. You can have MySQL database as well, and it does have a file manager, but I think it's a paid version. Let's check into how to install this Vista control panel. We have some information here. So you can just first you have to log into your VPS server or a dedicated host server, and then you have to run these following commands to install a default version of Vista control panel. So I will bring my I will bring my terminal here. Which I have already logged into my Vista control panel as a root. I think you should as log in as a root as well. First, what we will do is download the bash script. Download the script to install Vista control panel. So it's done with the following command. So we have already downloaded, and let's check. We do have it. Now what we have to do is bash bs uh, if we want to continue to install or not. So I will do yes. Now it asks for an admin email, so I'm doing something like @email.com just for the testing purpose. You should write your email, where if you lost your password or something, they will send it to your email. And now your host name, if you are going to host a domain on this server, you should write that. Let's say we will be hosting example.com on this server now, and it will take around 15 minutes. It says around 15 minutes, but most of the time it's faster. We'll install some 180 packages, and then we will have our login information for the Vista control panel. So I will pause it here, and once it's done, I will get back to you again. Hey guys, and now it's has installed in our uh, server. So let's copy the URL. Usually it's a IP address with port 8083, so make sure your virtual server has that open. Let's paste that it in the browser, and sorry, I had already sent that above. So some you usually see that the connection is not private window, which is totally normal as this server does not have a valid certificate. The browser shows this, so you click hide, show advanced, and proceed. Now you will have the login window. So here we will log in with the username and password for the admin first. And I think the first thing you should do is change your password here, generate or write something, and make sure your email is something that you can have access to. If you lost your password, you will get, you can reset it from here. Okay, and you can explore. We have user, you can add or delete user from here. As default, we have one user, that's admin, which is you, and you can add many users from here we can add domain names. The one we have now for is example.com. Now if you want your domain like yourname.com, you will add it here, and DNS for those domains are here, which you can list the records. It will have your DMARC and everything related to FTP, web server, mail server, and you can mention custom DNS stuff here, of course. And from here you can create mailing emails. So what you can do is we don't have any, so we can add a mail like info@something your domain.com and just say it, and it will be here. So let's see. Nice. We have already added our info@something.com here, and you can create database if you want to run some. If you want to install WordPress, you will be able to create database here. So something you should notice that in prefix it will all add admin always by default. So you should notice this, and you usually if you write WordPress here, your full database name will be admin dash WordPress, and it's same for user, but you can get password. It will be your password or some. So if you want to have some database here, you will have to create a database from here like this, and you can say this as well. And something we can run cron jobs with this as well. And of course there is the backup feature. If you create backup, it will take some time, but I think it will make regular backups every day. So let's see, we have also the IP address for the servers are here. I mean, you can see the IP address. Graphs will show the average load time, memory usage, and bandwidth for your servers and other packages. And let's see what we have. Okay, if we have, the log will show what was done to the server, everything related to server activities as the user does. So we had added email, it shows this and stuff. And if the Vista control panel has an update, you can directly upgrade it from here. Now it's for firewalls. In some cases you would want some ports to open and some to close, so you can do that from here. And of course the server and this the server part will show what's been running in the server, and here you have various options to configure stop or restart. And let's see, and from here I think you can edit your PHP htv.config file we used to. And let's see something. Let's okay, I think I forget that. I can leave it. Okay, that's all for now. Tomorrow I think we will install a WordPress on this server. I hope you will see that as well. Thank you. Do subscribe for more, and do comment if you like this or not, and do let me know your suggestion. How can I improve myself, and I will keep making videos for you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.